This will hopefully solve my issues. Still crazy to me how easy this bike is to carry on. So replaced the condenser, and the point doesn't seem to be too bad. I'm just going to clean it up with a little sandpaper. I tightened down the wires to it. I checked all the wire connections, and all of them work. I used a multimeter as well. I don't see any issues with this thing, so I don't know why it's not running. Hopefully it will now, maybe, but we'll find out. So you can see that it's cracked real good. That's how I got it. I don't know how, but I'm gonna assume they just tightened down on the keyway and the metal wasn't strong enough to withstand that. Alright, I replaced the condenser and now it sparks at the point rather than at the plug. Don't know if you'll be able to hear or see it, but it sparks in there now. I'm not sure why. I'm gonna try to reset the gap again, see if that's the issue, but other than that, I really can't figure this out. It doesn't make sense to me. Let's see if we can get this thing running. Should run now. I have spark. Got it to run. I want the 2 kicks, basically. I don't know, 2 or 3 kicks. Crazy. I'll be honest, guys. I was losing hope in this bike. It has been an absolute nightmare to get it running, but I am so glad I didn't do that. This bike is awesome. compared to the orange one, it is way faster because it has this, I think it's a Webco head, and it increases the compression quite a bit, and it's fast. It unfortunately it bogs in the bottom end, and then the clutch slips in the top end, but it's fast. It's got character, that's for sure. I'm glad I didn't sell it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video of it, and please like and subscribe. I'm always making new videos. I've always got things going on. This thing's getting some more parts here soon. This thing's gonna start doing some stuff with this. Probably not a complete restoration yet, but it's coming. And then I got 94 Cobra outside that I'm winterizing, but I take that to the racetrack in the summer, and I'm gonna be doing a lot of overlanding this winter in the Jeep. Just like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace out.